What is going on, you guys? My name is Daniel and welcome back to the channel where we go over everything mirrorless Canon cameras. And today we're going over how to fix the warm picture style that comes out of the R6, a very quick fix, and some of the other things that you can do for it. Let's jump into it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is jump into the menu system, and you can do a custom white balance, which is going to be really good. You're going to need a white piece of paper or a grayscale. Your style, the color space should be the sRGB if you're doing anything on the computer, Adobe RGB if you're doing prints. I enjoy the faithful picture style, and I boosted the clarity a little bit. But the real thing is here is you come in here and you can select whichever one you want. Color temperature is going to be one of the better ones to work with. If we come in here, here's the quick fix. So it's automatically set to retain warmth from ambient color under tungsten light, and you just go over to wall white. White will be represented even under tungsten light, and that will fix a lot of your problems that you are seeing. Set that, and that will fix some of them. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any other videos on how to use your R6 better. And on this channel, we go over everything mirrorless Canon cameras. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.